Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product service. Today we're taking a look at Lumen Tech, found at www.lumentch.com. While I won't be delving into the specifics of every product and service they offer, I want to provide you with an understanding of Lumen Tech's overall presence and what they bring to the table. Navigating their website, you can see they offer a diverse portfolio, ranging from seemingly simple solutions to more complex, intricate offerings. This breadth of service suggests they cater to a wide range of clients, from individuals to large corporations. It's apparent that Lumen Tech is striving to position itself as a comprehensive technology partner. The website emphasizes their commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. While the exact details of their services may vary, the overall impression is one of a company seeking to provide end-to-end solutions. They appear to be focused on building long-term relationships, emphasizing support and collaborative problem-solving. Further exploration of their website could reveal more specific details about their various offerings. However, a quick glance suggests a strong focus on technology integration and streamlining workflows. They seem to understand the challenges businesses face in today's rapidly evolving technological landscape and are aiming to provide solutions that address those specific needs. It will be interesting to see how Lumen Tech continues to develop and refine its services in the future, and whether their offerings truly live up to the promises presented on their website. I encourage you to visit www.lumentch.com yourself to get a more personalized understanding of what they can offer.